I am ready, good sir.
All right. Welcome everybody to Chart Talk, episode 33. If I'm not mistaken, this is episode 33.
Correct.
All right.
That's that time.
I am ready, good sir.
All right. I love that. I didn't even mean to put that too. That was funny. Okay. But anyways, let's go ahead and get straight to it. We're going to be back
You know what it is.
We're going to be back testing, versus style. As in that boy, he's going to be I'm going to start off today first. But usually
Hey, AB,
the music, yeah, I'm turning it down right now.
Okay, bet.
How's that on your end? Is that good?
Still pretty loud.
I think I need to just turn it down because for Zoom it's loud, but I think for the YouTube it's perfect. So let me go ahead and just take that off. But you're good without music, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I don't know. Let's go ahead and backtest. Let's go ahead and backtest GPJPY. Why not?
Okay, cool.
Why not? Let's go ahead and do that. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say, is there a time, maybe a couple years ago, that it was in a similar area, besides like just right there?
Right there. Oh, we're definitely going back. Like I was gonna say that we're gonna come back like in 2019, 2020 over here.
Bet.
That's where I was trying to go and back test, not where it's all over there. So let's see how. Okay. So back in 2019, this is where I'm going to have it push us back to. Cool. So we're in January of 2019 actually, so that's perfect. All right, so I am currently in second. Man, you better show your face, good sir.
Oh, there we go. My bad.
Trying to play me.
There we go. All right, where are my glasses? I can't see without my glasses.
Freaking Velma head ass.
90s kids are crazy.
Right. Alright, but yeah, so currently it is 2-1 with Payton in the lead. Been getting my ass beat the past couple of times, but today I believe I'm going to turn that over. And you know what I'm saying? He said, nah. He's like, nope. No
I'm
way.
on a two game win streak over here.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We about to cut that winning streak. About to cut it.
So
cut
you
it.
Better hope
cut
so.
it.
Kind
No, okay. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it with GPJPY. I want to just look back on the weekly time frame real quick, just to see what we got going on over here. All right, so there's this from this low back in 2016. We've seen a rise in GPJPY, and then it did end up retracing. On the weekly time frame, it left a large wick down to that 78.6 on that fib, so that's actually pretty hilarious. From that low to this high, but I mean, no structure would have broken, but still, that's off of a weekly time frame. I'm not gonna ignore that right there for sure. Currently, prices underneath of the 50 EMA on the weekly time frame. I'm not going to necessarily draw out that fib because I already know that it's there, and that's what price rejected off of. Price on the daily time frame, there's not a lot of volume that's in these candlesticks right now. So I'm not necessarily looking for anything on that daily right now. On the 4-hour time frame, there is definitely a good amount of volume that needs to get retested, in my opinion, such as this volume, or such as, I'll argue and say that this has not been tested either, and definitely this has not been tested. So there's a good amount of volume to the upside, as we can see over here, that there's a good amount of volume to the upside that has yet to be like tested at all. So 1 hour time frame and above, 1 hour time frame and below, it is currently making a bullish move. this structure is what previously got broken, so I can say that, you know, I am looking for the bulls to come into play. However, on the 4-hour, from this high to this low, I see that price has been rejecting off of the 78.6 right here. This is ultimately the high that I want to get broken. It's more visible on the daily time frame, but this is the high that I want to get broken on the daily for me to really feel comfortable with the bulls. But I'm still gonna play lower time frame bullish moves. You know, this 4-hour, I do want to see how this ends up playing out here. Will I play this fib right here? I not necessarily, because it didn't break any structure. I mean, 15-minute, yeah, I guess you could consider that it broke structure here. My dog wants to come in. I like 15-minute, 5-minute structure. Yeah, I guess price broke structure right there, and it's coming back into that pricing. So will I take a sell here? No, it's already happened, so not really. But that's totally fine. I am more interested in the bulls. Well, not in the bulls. I do want to see price push to the downside, and then I'll look for the bearish play after that. But let's see what happens.
So what's the exact date that you're on?
The exact day that I am on is January 19th. No, January 22nd.
Of 2019?
Yep. January 2nd, 2019. So yeah, we got this bullish move. And, you know, it would have been a 1-to-1, and then price would have broke even. But ultimately, I mean, realistically speaking, like I said, on the 1-hour time frames and lower, it is a bullish move. It is like really bullish, and as we can clearly see, price is continuing to make this move. What time was it over here? Late. That's what time it was. 1-hour time frame. I'm gonna go ahead and just. Why is it not clicking? There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and just have this drawn out right here for now, so that I know that that's a 78.6, but I want to get rid of this fib. And then go on to the lower time frames. Now, man, price was just bullish right there.
Or for the fans out there, what EMA do you have on your chart?
Ooh, that's a good question. That's a great question. What EMA do you have on your chart? I personally like the 50 and the 200. Just me personally.
He said he's a swing trader. Okay. I'm getting a little Wyckoff-ish, possibly, in my opinion.
Right here, okay, I see a distribution.
But it's very subtle on the 1-hour, so. And the area is
right now, if price were to make a retracement right now, I'd look for this buying opportunity. As much as I see that there is a possibility for price to come down here as well, like I would say down to these lows, I'd play this first. I wouldn't be interested in playing this necessarily.
I wish I had I need to get something to where I can press buttons and it can make like ad libs.
Ooh.
Because I want to say like things, but I don't want to full out say things. You know what I'm saying? I just want to say like perfect or like
or be like, you know, I
like,
feel you. I love.
Oh no!
Even,
you know,
it's like, damn, son.
For real, I'm gonna ad lib your bitch ass sometimes.
Oh, I be knowing. All right.
Damn, son.
But yeah,
right,
let's see what this is looking like right now.
Oh,
GPG,
now what do you do?
It's just continuing this bullish move. Damn.
Would you Are you gonna move that fib, or what? How do you feel now?
First of all, I'm deleting the fib, and the higher that it goes, the less.
The more that it's harder to play.
The more that it's harder to play, exactly.
Find some spots.
Okay, so I see this zone right here, first and foremost, where if it slips up, then price is just going to continue going bullish. Again, there is this untested volume up right here. Prices came back to test, basically come back to retest this. You know, so that's first of all,
that's an important area.
That's an important area. Period. I don't even know why I didn't mark it off. But yeah.
Okay.
Prices definitely came in to tap this area that I mentioned before, and this area. But now, interested to see what price is gonna do here. 1 hour time frame. You see, there's these little pockets that can be definitely playable. Like on
definitely
the 15,
playable.
This pocket right there, this pocket is just low probability. Like,
and low key, that's what happens in the most bullish markets. They do not pull back deep.
Right?
They just don't. Like in a real move, like GJ just did right there, they don't give deep pullbacks, barely ever.
Then
if you look at it,
it'd be tough. It'd be tough to play around these markets sometimes with this strategy. You know, if I was looking at RB, which maybe I'm not on the RB chart, so I'm not gonna just go and exchange it now. I mean, maybe later, but definitely, I would rather still play. I mean, if it were to come back,
you can throw the RB indicator
this.
on. You're on that.
I hate the RB indicator on a dark screen. I hate it. I don't know why. I just can't do it. It has to be on a light screen. Maybe on the next play, I'll like switch to the lighter screen. But I'd play this. I still play this right here instead of playing these lower, like rather playing this or this. I mean, even this is not terrible, but it's a 15-minute play. You know.
Yep.
You know what? Let me see what this is going to look like. What time is it right now? Now that I'm really paying attention to this.
London.
Back to London. There's volume here. I'm down to play this, depending on how it gets down here. All right, yeah, I'm gonna play it. I'm down.
All right, put that limit order and see what it do.
Let's see what we're talking about over here today. Okay, not a bad drop. What time is it? 4 a.m. Oh, wow. Well, that is not giving me a play right there anymore. Because let me see. Right there. Yeah, that's a 1-to-1. I can't play that. Alright, well, I can't play it, but if that's not the play, then the only other play that I'm going to play is this one. I'm not playing this. I'm playing this right here.
And see, now these are the weird parts is like now maybe look for shorts
for a sell stop.
Like, not right now, but like, you know what I'm saying, that's kind of like what I was thinking today in a way.
Like
not
after
this exact moment, but it's like if you're not gonna trade it, if you're thinking your stop loss is going to get hit, so you're thinking the market's gonna go to a certain spot now.
Okay, I get what
there's
you
gonna
mean.
be,
especially since it bounced off of this 50 EMA like that.
Yeah, and I'm not trying to get into it like that, really. My bad.
No, you good. But I get what you're saying though, because now look, boom. I mean, granted, I think this would have still hit for the 1-to-1. Yeah, it would have still hit for the 1-to-1, but that's okay.
Hit, but then break even would have hit.
Yeah, exactly. So it's okay.
All right, it looks like it could still move up, just not necessarily off that fib.
Yeah.
It's moving very sideways. There it goes.
Okay. Let me see something real quick. It's bounced off of these equal lows right here. That's interesting. Broke out right there. Broke those two structures to the downside. I'm not a trend line trader, but
Broke the 50, broke the structure, broke the trend. I would probably, on my part, I would probably look to trade this. It'd be like more of a 5-minute setup,
yeah,
but it looks
definitely
pretty on
5 minutes
15
setup.
too.
Let me see what this is talking about.
Damn.
Go up a little higher than that. Okay. Because it didn't break this structure, I'm not down to play. This looks just like a U-shaft, by the way. But just because it didn't break this structure, I'm not looking to play the short, but I'm looking more to play the buy. And I'm going to pay attention to what price is going to do to this 50 EMA. Whoo! Man, that thing says slip. Alright, let's see what we got going on. Interesting.
Now it broke the structure.
And you see, this is exactly why I wouldn't have even wanted to play that other FIP, because it would have just been nonsense.
Nonsense.
I want to see what this is looking like, though. I think this is at the 61.8. 71, never mind.
Almost at 78.
Almost 76. Alright, so now it's dropping high volume off of that drop as well. It's making me iffy.
Very high.
It's making me iffy trying to buy that because it just demolished all of the volume from these past couple of days. Let me see when's the last time the volume was that high. If I can even... Yeah, over here.
Sheesh.
Over here back in the 19th. And today is... Well, I couldn't see. Oh, today's the 29th. Okay, so after 10 days, big volume right here. Let's see how price gets into this pricing before I decide I want to take it or not.
What about shorts?
Ooh, those shorts after breaking that structure. TBH.
If you're waiting for price,
still give me this.
Okay.
Yeah, if I'm waiting, because especially if it gets there and it hits, and it can extend those into my pricing that I'm looking for buys. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got going on. Okay, I like the retracement. So far, so good. A good amount of volume up here. See what that's looking like real quick. This is an untested man. No. This is what EU literally did today, and EU spanked, bro. This is what EU did today, and it hit 1-6, and I was like, damn, because there's like, I'm not sure about the volume, but it was like similar to this where it had this play. And then there was like, or it could be this one. Which one do you want? And then it just did this drop, the retracement. I was like, damn, that is tough because, and you said it. You even said it. It's like, no, it wouldn't be one that we would play because it looks like UJ. And I was like, I gotta agree.
This is UJ.
This is UJ, the facts. This is gonna keep dropping.
Dang. No plays.
Giving nothing. It's gonna keep dropping.
Fake out and then drop.
There it is. I be wondering if I be wanting to play these buy stops or these sell stops. Well, not the sell stops necessarily, but just like despite the time, because this is London session around here. I'm not with it. I'm not. Me listening to it, I'm like, actually, now that I'm really sounding it out, I don't like that idea. Come on, don't do this to me.
Big move.
Off the 61.8 right there. Let me see what this is looking like on the way down. Because as much as it's not there yet, I'm down to play it low key.
Oh.
Ah, no, I didn't set it. I didn't set it. That's tough.
He was like, I want to play.
Damn. Well, hold on. Maybe it'll come back for me. If it'll come back for me, I'll get the entry in. But if not, then it's okay because it's already too late. That was hilarious. Man, that's hilarious. Let me see something. If it can come back for one more time to get me before it takes off, then I'm still good. But I don't think it's gonna. Oh, it came back for you, boy. It came back for your boy.
Entry.
It came back for the boy.
Dang.
It came back for the boy. All right, let's see what's up. But that was scary.
You're probably safe as it gets now.
And it's at 8 o'clock. Yeah, let's see what's up. Oh, let's go. That's 1-1.
That's safe.
That's safe. Man, I was like, hold on. Is this going to give your boy an entry?
Dang.
All right, that was clean. All right, let's see what else has got going on for me, though.
Give it to you, though.
Come on, give me the 1-2. Yeah, there we go. Boom. 1-2. Nice.
Right.
Okay, so, you know, the reason why I took that trade is because I remember how you're talking about, well, price can bounce off of these zones and still make moves for us, especially if it does what it needs us to do, like break the structure, because it did right here. You know, it came back and tapped this volume, then it retraced back down into it, and the retracement wasn't super scary either. I was like, yeah, why not?
Yeah, that was a clean look. And how you waited for a minute for that. But that's $1,000 in our account, so that's clean.
Nah, I definitely had to wait a few days. That's the reason why I can't trade one pair. That's the exact reason why I can't trade one pair, because I'm like, man, I'm not trying to wait 10 or 15 days for one trade off of one pair. I gotta give me 3 of those so I can trade at least 4, like one trade at least every 4 days or something like that. That'd be like, you know what I mean, or something like that. I don't know what this. I gotta see what the statistics is, but something like that. But anyway,
what day is that exactly?
That is 2:15 on the February 1st. It's on a Friday.
1st. All right, let me share my screen. Allow me to.
Yep, go ahead. Let me go ahead and actually write that down.
And then you started right here, so I'm just gonna put where you started right here. And then I'll play it.
So that's 2 points for your boy?
Yeah, nice. Good start.
Very good start.
Alright, let's see. Do I have my indicators up? Yeah, let's see if I would have played anything. I've been looking for divergence, something here. Would have got it, probably. I would have been looking for bullish divergence here. Would have got it. Bearish divergence, slightly. Would have got it. Bullish divergence. Would have got wrecked, but then would have came up. Would have been looking for buys, maybe. Am I too
that
far?
That buy would be scary for me.
Am I already too far?
No, not yet. Oh, wait a minute.
I'm way too far.
February 1st.
Okay. Sorry. I was just like in the zone.
No, you were hella looking. I was like, damn. That boy's just like, what? Boom. I'm like, god damn.
I think you're right here. Okay, cool.
I was February 1st at 2 a.m.
Okay, I just want to do a quick look at the daily, because I saw you look at it, but I just want to look at it too.
Of course.
We have a yearly point of control up here. That's an interesting line that is kind of close. That isn't usually that close. Yearly POC. So that was the previous year. This one's way down here. It's not as, doesn't matter as much. Let me go down to the 4 hour. Well, I guess it is kind of there because it's also this monthly point of control for January. So I'll just put that as monthly POC. All right, is your mic on? Oh goodness, I always didn't know. This is way too far away to mark. Let me turn that. All right. Then we got 1 hour. We're gonna have weekly volume right here. So we do have some weekly down here that was not tested. And let's see, anything right here? No, not really. This guy is kind of telling me that there is nothing, not a lot up here. So I'm gonna put kind of something like this right here. No, not yet. I'll look back at that. Okay, these are pretty much my levels. Let's go here and see stuff on the daily levels. Here's a daily POC that hasn't been hit. So these are just volume levels that I look for that the market could be drawn to, basically. This is still untapped right here. So daily POC. Okay, and then this is today. And I believe he already played this fib. Yeah, this was the fib he played. He gets his 1 to 2 right here. So now we're gonna see what happens next. And I'm up to bat. So let me just look at the 1 hour.
Hey, better.
Okay, that was a good one.
I'll play you.
All right, we definitely have some bullish divergence here. So right here, I'm looking for the third wave. 1, 2, 3. That was ugly. 1, 2, 3, and then I get my move to the upside. So right here, I like to put the divergence fib up here to give me a good read. And right by that daily POC.
By that, right where that fib is at, that I would be still looking for buys.
All right, yep, right, all in this confluential area.
And that's a good one right there.
Because this was last weekly candle. It closed extremely bullish. So, yeah, I'm interested in this. Let me see what this from the 61618 looks like to here. Okay, that's 100 pips, but I'm low key like
30 for 30.
The divergence almost. Let me go to the 15-minute and see what we're cooking up. I just have these areas right here. I'm just gonna mark it like this so I don't forget all this like I could forget, but demand. All right.
He said like I could forget.
You hit that fib right there. I'll take it off 10 to 3. Boom. All right. I want it to chill out. I want it to come down here.
Oh dang! It did 1 to 2, then dropped perfectly. That's nice.
I need to really look at it on the 1 hour. So the next candle. Okay, no, but that's a good volume right there. I need the bullish volume to be present. And then I low-key kind of want to see this come up a little bit and then give me divergence in this area as well. If it gets there right away, it's going to be a little tough for me to play. And I might choose to put, depending, I'll just play it candle by candle. Here we go. Good. Slower the better for me. Okay, I'll probably play this. It's probably going to do one more drop, but the way that it did what I needed it to do on the MACD kind of coming up, that's like what I needed to see. Uh-oh.
Ooh.
730 comes in, and I don't want to sell it even though I see that opportunity.
I was just about to ask.
I don't think I'm gonna get my, well, there's no, and the reason why I didn't want to sell it is because it was so close to a macro area where it could come up. It was just like, nah, no thanks.
Yeah, I was talking about like right here.
Okay, well now we get this break of structure.
Ooh, there's still some upside left. Oh, yeah, that's a good no play.
Wow. Okay, so I'm going to be,
Especially with the volume pickup.
yeah, well, here's this daily point of control that the market's probably coming into, and here's what I'm going to do. If the market gives me this pullback with chiller volume, I'm going to look for the market to get there, or if the market gets here without the deepest pullback and gives me divergence, I'm going to look for some like 30 for 30, or maybe it should be 40 for 40 with GJ because it's a little more volatile. I might have to, maybe even 50 for 50, depending on how volatile it is at the time, because it gets way more volatile than anything else. So let's see it slide into that price. Okay, giving me the divergence opportunity. But I am only on the 15 minute, so the end of the day just happened.
Wait, what the heck what just happened to the 50 EMA?
So that's a VWAP. It's a volume weighted average moving average. Basically.
Oh, okay, never mind.
It's basically usually lines up directly with the 50 EMA, but what it does is it takes it gives you an average.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, and now I kind of don't love the time of day that it's at to sell it here at that price. So we're slipping straight through here into it. 30 for 30 short. Let's see what this looks like.
Huh?
And then 30 would be right back into here. Okay, let's try 40 because I'm not stupid. It moves more than everything else, so I need to give it a little bit more. And so let's see what we got going on right here. Give me some love. There it is. Ooh, very scary entry at a scary time. It could like, but what I like about this, what I love about this is the daily profile here. We have not just one, but we have yesterday's profile here with this point of control down and this point of control down. So right now the market is, what do they call it, out of balance.
And if you want to throw a fib on that too, that's another confirmation for you. Oh,
it could not get to the fib, but we'll see.
It could, yeah.
Very risky, I would say, play on my part, just because I only stayed on the 15 minute, didn't give me any 1 hour confirmation. But and then this right here, the rising volume with price rising like this, kind of sketchy. But let's see what we got. Oop, hit my mic and hit the wrong button. Let's go.
Nice.
Turn around. That's what I needed.
Nice.
Uh-oh. There we go.
Going. I think I'm going smack.
And at that point, I'm breaking it even.
Yeah, there's no way you're not doing that.
Got to on a divergence trade that gets that close as well, family.
Yeah.
Oh, if this doesn't hit.
Ooh.
Man. That's tough.
Saved you, though.
30 for 30 would have smacked, though.
30 for 30 would have smacked.
Okay, cool. All right.
All right, what day is that?
We are on... Ooh, and I would have caught another divergence opportunity right there.
And that would have been a perfect 78.6 right there, too. Dang.
Well...
It's all right, though.
Oof, that would have missed.
Ooh, it would have missed.
Okay, it's on the 4th at 10 o'clock.
4th of February?
Yeah.
Okay. 4th of February at 10. Let me go ahead and get this vertical. $10 a.m. or p.m.
AM.
Okay. I remember for the longest time I used to get horizontal and vertical mixed up. like for the longest. I don't know why. Okay, let's see what we got going on over here. Okay, bullish move. Real life, now that I'm actually looking at this. Well, first of all, this wouldn't be a play anymore because it's the 61.8. I mean, it's possible. I mean, I'd say that it's not a play, but off the 61.8, I still have a hard time trying to play that. This is a little too choppy. But it did break this structure right here to the left. So I am still down to play a short. If it gets up to 144, it's more of a 1 hour play than anything. All the volume that's up here has been tested. Sure, you know what? Yeah, let's go ahead and throw a trade on it. You know, give you, if it gives me that entry, give you a turn fast. I mean, give you a back to you real quick. Let me see what we got going on.
It almost already damn turning around.
Yeah, I think it's turning around already. And if it does 1-to-1 off the 71%, you know what it is. Actually, I have to do it from here because that's where it started the turnaround. So once it gives me that, once it does that, then I can't play it. Yep, can't play it.
There that goes.
There that goes. Never mind. All right, so that's a hasta la bye-bye. But this bullish move isn't looking terrible. However, I don't think I'm gonna play the bullish move unless I see how it gets into there. But it looks pretty good. It looks better than the sell. I'll tell you that much.
What about the bears right here?
Let me see how price gets there. That's funny. The bears look better than this buy. You know, price came into here, came and retested this volume. I would have definitely been intrigued with this buy. However, I need to find a, like, the volume was rising right here. So this is my thing that I've been like really observing now. I'm like, do I really want to buy into fibs where the point of control is lower than where my fib is at? You know, that's one thing that I've been like paying attention to these past couple of days, and I'm like, do I really want to play those? And it's been like this. Like if it's coming down with this price action,
because it goes into price goes to volume areas. Price doesn't go to fib areas.
Yeah, exactly. And so if price coming into the 78.6 right here, yeah, rejected off of it, and then came to the 71, but then came right back down.
I'm starting to look at it like the 78.6 is good pricing, but that point of control is better pricing.
Yeah, right?
Like if you're actually gonna buy it, then wait for that point of control.
Overall, there's still just a whole bunch of like pricing to the downside I still want to see regardless. 'Cause like I said, even this right here, like I'm not still totally against playing it. However, the way how it's coming down is not preferable, especially with the volume picking up. So that's another thing. That would have been an L if I would have taken it. Price came into that volume earlier that I marked off. I'm not against this. I'm not really. It's like it's a 1 hour / 4 hour play, but I'm not against it. And then again, if this doesn't work out, then the next play is not going to be this. It'll be from this low probably. Although this would be a break and retest of this structure right here. But I want to delete this actually. There's untested volume right here. And you see this untested volume, you see how closer it is to the 78.6 and that other one, this is the much better example for me of what I would rather play. Even though it came and hit the 61.8, you know? This would be something I'd much rather play than the previous one. Now, will this volume pick up a little bit? Was it scary? Was it scary enough to scare me away from the trade? Not really, because it still is decreasing over time. So I'm still down to play it. Now, there's not a lot of volume sitting right here, except for this that can hold it up. But if it slips through this, it's going bye-byes. Up over here to 139.914. So yeah, I'll take it. Give it to me.
Nice.
Okay. See what we got going on. This first of all got to go 3x.
Give it to him. One more pump to the downside, Wyckoff.
Right? Grandpa, do it for me. Okay, there you go. Okay, Grandpa, what you gonna do for me? Ooh, I do not like this volume.
It's gonna spring.
6 a.m. But still, yeah. Let me get this. Come on, Grandpa Wyckoff. Do it for your boy.
He's got you, bro. You got volume above on that day, and volume above 2 days before that. He's got you right here on this 1-to-1 at least.
All right, Gramps, let's get it.
Gramps don't lie, boy.
Gramps. That's fire though, that volume, like you said. But Gramps got me on that
hold on.
Okay. I know. I'm already knowing what you about to say. He's like, all right.
I'm playing on your screen.
I get it. Let me know if you're playing on my screen. Let me know if you're playing on my screen, because Gramps, he's gonna give it to you.
Gramps,
I'm at break even, by the way.
He wants me to, yeah. He wants me to play the buy stop, but I'm like, ooh, I don't know, bro.
You're like, Gramps, I don't know. I don't know if I'm down like that.
I'm here for it. You're
here for it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Look at that flag.
This is for P.
For me.
This is for P right here. I mean, trust me. If you're playing this, I'm hella setting it up on my freaking MT4, and you probably want this for extendos, huh?
Oh yeah, like real life extendo.
Real life extendos, exactly.
This is very few real life extendo opportunities.
Real life. All right, let's see what we got going on. Gramps, you gonna give it to him?
He said no. We're just gonna go buy stop on them.
Dang.
Ooh, scary.
Dang, scary.
A long time.
I hate when it does
taking
this.
a long time to test this area. Ooh, new week or some shit too.
Yep, new week.
Ooh, this is not per strategy, but I'm sticking with it because it's so clean. I can't help it.
Dang, you might not get
Grams,
it.
you're out here with the buy stops about to murk.
Yeah, the buy stops is about to go crazy. Oh wait.
Oh, give an entry
Dang, this
to
thing
the
has
boy.
tested it too many times for it not to drop down to that level at this point.
You're not lying.
Grams.
Dude, they were like, nah, we've got enough supply. We're out here.
Dang, it's just playing in this
Ooh, too sketchy.
It's
almost.
too sketchy now.
It's kind of confirming, though. It's kind of confirming, like, this area is big, like, being manipulated hella.
Dang, this has been...
Barely breaking. Come back down, I'll laugh.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Oh, that 50 EMA would have said, nah, I got this. That 50 EMA would have said, nah, I got this.
You see that slope it started to create? It started to create that upward slope, and it held. off that little pullback.
Okay, I gotta be real with you. I gotta be real with everybody here. After seeing this price dropping and the retracing like that, I'm not sure if I would have sold this or not. I don't know if I would have sold it or not. It would have to be if I would have missed this that I'll make a decision there. I'm being completely honest.
You mean buy or sell?
I don't know if I would sell here off of this right
Ooh, is your TP about to get hit?
here. Oh, TP definitely about to miss Zax. Oh my goodness, man, that buy stop.
That buy stop.
That buy stop
Grant
crazy.
He said, "What's good?"
In a real life situation, if my TP would have missed, I would have definitely taken profits right there.
Dang, did it miss though? Cause mine missed by 1 pip.
Yeah. That thing missed, and oh my goodness, the consolidating. Cause now this is just taken away from you.
No, I wouldn't have been playing nothing really. I really wouldn't have. I'll call it if I see something. I mean,
yeah. Let me get rid of this first of all.
I really don't think I would play anything yet. I'm feeling UJ vibes on those lows, thinking that liquidity is still gonna get hit.
Still down.
It's not my trade per se, but that's what I'm feeling. So like
you'd play this right here.
I don't have anything to play. No, I wouldn't play that because I would think those lows are about to get hit. That's what I'm saying. I think
especially these are about to get ran through like a freaking freight truck.
But let's see your trade hit TP still. I'm trying to let you get another 2-pointer because I feel bad if you don't get these 2 points.
It'd be funny if I don't get the 2 points. I don't get the 2 points.
Oh, dang.
Bro, are you still playing this?
Hell no. Not from that spot, at least. So, no, it wouldn't have been that. I said no.
Oh, yeah, you did. All right. Yeah, let me go ahead and get me my 1 point. Dang, that sucks. W1-1. Man, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to hold you, though. I would probably
hold up.
Play
we calling that 1-1 or break even? How are we doing that?
I mean, well, once it goes to 1-1, then it goes to break even, and I take partial profits. I take 0.20%. So
bet.
I'm just gonna say that that's a 1-pointer, especially with this, bro. Because in the real life situation, if I'm taking this, you know that. There's no way.
That's how I felt about my 1 pip on my divergence, but
exactly. Exactly. That's exactly why I'm not counting that. But I'll count the 1-1 though, because I do take partial profits. But man, this I would still shoot. I'm not gonna cap. Anyway, let me go ahead and drop this to you. This is on 9:00 a.m. on February 14th, Valentine's Day. Go ahead, certified lover boy. Oh, did you hear that Drake is trying to see if he's gonna try to make he's trying to step away from the rap game?
He needs to.
Ooh, that boy said he needs to.
All right, so do I count this as 1 point or no?
Yeah, man. I mean, I think if it's a break even, it's not like that in the real life markets. But if it's a break even now, let me ask though: Are you taking partial profits?
Well, on this one, I'm taking full profits right here.
Oh yeah, you're taking full. Yeah, okay, I'll give you that. Go ahead and get your 1 point. Because you're hella taking that profit. There's no way.
Just like you're hella taking that on that last trade.
Yeah, there's no way, boy.
Okay, is this the move that just happened? Yeah. Right?
I believe so. February 14th. February 14th at 9 a.m.
Okay. 14th. 6. Divergence would have hit. Okay, I gotta go to this. 1 hour on this one.
He said that thing taking too long.
I'm gonna see what it looks like on the 1 hour though. Okay, 7, 8. And then it sinks below.
Not below. It sinks right to that 78.6. So that's where it stopped at. I'm not gonna cap that looking like an AB. I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit play.
It gives you almost TP2, and then it comes back down.
Also disrespectful.
And look, you see how your TP, it almost got hit, but look what was down here. It didn't. It was like, nah, we're too much out of balance. Came back up into this little area of little baby volume that was left last week, and then came just right back down.
Listen, nah, you're not getting your full money.
And then this kind of shifted a little on that last candle. Then we got one more candle that comes right into this. Okay.
Ooh, man, that volume. Oh man, never mind.
Look at where your entry off this 78.6 was this POC from, over here as
all
well.
the way over there. Yep.
That's clean. Okay.
When it matches up, remember how I said that I'd rather play that rather than play when the fib is all the way to the downside, like way lower than that. That's exactly why. Like, that's fire. That's good confirmation.
This volume picking up big. This should continue down.
Yeah, real life it should.
Into this area. I'm gonna delete this fibs. I'm not gonna be messing with that. This barely missed up here, or maybe no, it got hit with this move. Yeah, that's perfect. That's right. That's the okay.
That's the divergence you played.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. I'll delete this as well. We're good here. Let's go to 15-minute. I don't need to see the 4 hours. Just bearish as hell. I'm gonna try to look for a pullback.
Oh, you for sure playing that pullback.
Oh, volume just came down like heavy. They said, nah, this is where we're at now.
Yeah, for reals.
Interesting. So now what it's telling me, if it does pull back up here, it's going to be more attracted to come right back down.
Yeah.
To the volume, to where the point of control is at. Okay. Now that's good. And then if it does this and gives me divergence, this is a little too much momentum to just play one wave, but I think I want to try it anyway for the stats. Let me just see what it looks like. You might already have gotten there. No. Wrong time of day. I want to see 3 waves. Just too much momentum right here. This is easily gonna could easily just roll, like a big another day like this. So I'm just gonna hold off and wait for 3 waves. Wouldn't have got a chance at it anyway. And here is maybe 3 waves, but as ugly as it all gets. Now we're getting a little shift. See, that 3rd wave would have been nice if it came down a little lower, but it produced the move that I wanted to see, just didn't get an entry off of it. Now I'm probably going to be looking for this most likely. And maybe playing buys if it comes back down, or if it goes up anymore. Comes back down. Too ugly for me. Okay, now we're coming. We need to chill out with the volume. I actually like that the volume, it broke, and there was a little bit of volume here, but it's starting to decrease a little bit. This is a little enticing to switch this up, but I'm going to keep it right here.
I would too. With that much of a difference, I think that it's okay for that type of play, in my opinion.
And it's like this is a bearish
yeah, exactly
on the daily.
Exactly.
So it closed literally stupid hard. So
no, I would flip this. I'll flip this
starting out as a wick, and then I'm looking for this daily candle to look like this. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Or even shit like this.
That boy said, "Ooh."
That's what I want to see that daily candle look like. You know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm not getting good confirmation on the 15. So what I need to see is this come back into here, and then give me this for the major confirmation. So not a good look right now for this trade. Let me think. Do I want to take it with the momentum picking up? Just because it looks good into a fib level doesn't mean. I like actually the volume is
The
starting
volume
to drop.
profile as well looks good.
And the volume profile up here looks good. It's worth a trade. It would be like a half risk with it retracing like this, but still in backtest mode. It's let's go full throttle, dude. So and oof, very ugly price action right here.
I don't care for that price action.
Wrong time of day for this trade as well. Now we're getting we have a bearish engulfing candle that broke this level, which we're trading off of, but now we're getting this like bullish candle because the day's about to close, and it's just very okay. It gaps
on a Sunday. Oof.
Ooh, this is just not.
That's not your play.
It's not my play, but I'm gonna keep it for backtesting, just for backtesting purposes.
All right, you in there?
I'm in there, but it's very ugly.
It's gonna smack for you. That's get out early criteria.
Well, that's facts. This is stop loss criteria.
Oh, come on, forex guys.
No. This is gonna run through this.
Oh, it's about to skyrocket. It's about to skyrocket. Like, yeah, literally. Like, you might actually want to. Dang. Do I want to give you the grace to be able to get this buy stop though?
Did that? Hold on.
No, it wouldn't have. You still golden.
I think it would have in the real market, but not on TradingView.
The way how our freaking luck. Yeah. Oh, the forex gods came and blessed you. The forex gods.
Now I have to decide.
Bro, if I was you, I'd be getting out. The forex gods came and blessed you.
No, right? Get the freak out.
Get out right now. I don't care if it drops. The forex gods blessed you. That is. I don't care.
Right, bro? Especially when I thought it was about to do that.
Because now I can still do that.
Let me just see what the candle.
Wait, but what have you
timing and everything is. Okay, the volume is still to the upside right there. I do have untested volume down here still. There is nothing in between these volume profiles. Oof. Oh, this one's so tough.
Oof.
Per rules, I probably should get the fuck out. But yeah. Let's see. This day right here has started off Sunday, Monday, and it is going to be a wick on the daily. I have to stay.
Damn. All right, let's do it. Come on, give it to him.
Chase the wick.
Give it to him.
Chase the wick or hit the TP. Oof, ugliest candle.
Come on.
That is the ugliest candle.
That's like the opposite of what you wanted. Oh, you gotta get out.
Gotta get out, and it's just that easy. But you know what I just realized is it wasn't a wick. The day stopped right here, so it was a freaking
so it was a full ass candle.
It was a full candle, and if I would have known that or seen that correctly, oh well.
It's all good.
It's all good.
All right. Yeah, that retracement wasn't the greatest either.
Alright.
Alrighty, so what day are you on?
It is 19th.
19th of February?
2:30 a.m.
Okay, at what time?
2:30 a.m.
2:30 a.m. Number 19. Okay. So currently, I got 3 points.
I got none.
Hey man, game ain't over yet. Would this have hit 1-to-1? I doubt it. Right here. Oh, it would have. Oh, wow. Before it would have hit 1-to-1 and then stop loss.
Mm-hmm.
1-to-1 stop loss. I mean break even.
That's like what happened today.
Yeah, it's literally what happened today on GJ. That's funny. You're all the way over there. Okay. Let's see what happened over here. Took out those lows, took off. I would want this structure to get broken at least. One to two looks like it's about to get hit without 1 to 2 hit without stop loss getting hit. Without stop loss just getting hit. 1 to 3 probably hit. So that's interesting. Let me write that down actually. This buy would definitely be played. Ooh, price is coming into that area of volume right there. Let me see. Let me actually go into the higher time frames real quick. So I could delete that. So yeah, this area of untested volume that price barely missed, it's coming really back into it now. Oh well, it's literally about to hit it like right now. That's cool. Yeah, I'm at this point. I'm really gonna be watching for this structure right here. I'm not gonna play the sell. Oof, this is extra long. I'm not playing the sell there necessarily. I feel like this is gonna get ran through, but I'll wait for the lower time frame structure. But I feel like that this is possibly gonna get ran through. There's still untested volume way up here, so that's again what I said earlier. Like, if it was down right here, maybe it'd be a different story. But this is gonna get ran through, and prices are probably gonna come up here and hit stop loss. So more than likely, I'll be looking for bullish, like the bullish price action. And even with this, I mean, just take a look at this bullish candlestick. Bullish candlestick right there on this day close probably as well. Yeah, bullish candlestick right there as well on the daily. So not gonna necessarily. Okay, did a double top up there, triple top. It's about to explode. Pause. I know you wanted to laugh. Let me double check that everything is solid over here. Okay, did a double top up there. Yeah, everything's fine. Okay, so the way how it came up in here, I'm actually not terribly mad at it. I'm actually like, hey, this is actually not a terrible way to get into the market, into this entry. But it's just so much price action that would need to happen for me to get the 1-to-1 that I'm not gonna play it. I'm gonna play the lower time frames. But in a real life situation, I might play it. Except again, I believe that this is gonna get broken, and there's still untested volume up here. So that's where I'd be like, iffy about playing it in a real life situation. But because it's backtesting, I'm not playing it. Let's see. Okay, came into this zone. I mean, it did fake out above these highs like how I wanted it to. Let me see. I want everything. Did it break it? Did it break through it still? Slightly. Yeah, it broke through. It broke through that zone. If it drops down here now, then I'll be like, okay, I kind of have no choice. No, I do have a choice, but I would be like, nah, I gotta sell this. So let's see. Okay, there we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, still going up, huh? Ooh, would I have played this? Would I have played this right here? Yes, I low-key would have. Damn, I didn't pay attention to it, though, and that would have smizzacked. Wow. I'm kind of mad I didn't pay close attention to this. But this would have been a really good smacker.
Damn.
It's alright, though.
What about if it does it again?
Let me see what this 1 hour talking about. I mean, this is bullish as hell, but because it did this right here, and there's untested volume here and here, I'd rather probably just play this. More of the reason why I would have played that first one is because it would have been in the same day. Number one. The 15-minute looked really good. The drop looked pretty decent as well. So that's why, and like, it's bullish as hell. But with price coming back into it, let me see what the fib looks like first of all. And it's a little too low. It's a little too lower from the fib than how I want it. Going on to the 1 hour. There's this untested volume and this untested. And this is closer to the 78.6 than that other one. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'd rather play this than the other one. Let's see. Ooh. This would have been an interesting AV fib. Going right up to that volume. Literally chasing that volume at this point. Right there. Hold on. 4 hour. Where is it? Literally chasing this volume right here. Let me just mark it off at this point. But it's literally chasing that right now. Would I play this buy right here? Yes. Because now there's untested volume right there. Now if price drops hard, maybe not. And it's not even an impulsive move to begin with. Oh man, this thing is not gonna give me that entry. And now, I feel like this is a whole bunch of imbalance to the downside that I don't want to play the buy anymore. Listen.
He's got one more pump.
Listen, bro. Let me see what this is talking about. Let me see what this is talking about.
I'm selling it soon, and it's gonna jump one more time, and then I'm looking for sales.
Yeah, it's coming up to that volume. Take out those equal highs probably on the higher time frames. All right, let's see what we got going on over here.
Listen, he said, "Look, buy stop."
Let me see what this. I'm waiting for the candle close. I'm waiting for the candle close, but it's a 15-minute candle close I'm waiting for. If price can close above here, and it closes it pretty cleanly, I'll tell you guys when I'm in the trade, and I'll be realistic when I'm in the trade. Let's see what this candle looks like. Nope, I'm not in there yet. Oof, I'm not in there yet. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's a 15-minute trade I'm basing this off of anyways. Oh, there you go. This is what I like to see. And it's about to be 3 a.m. Let's see what
that's my new stop loss.
That's your new stop loss. I'm keeping the stop
If
loss
I'm
the
buy
same.
stopping.
I'm keeping mine the same. Damn! I don't like that. I don't like that. Because now...
Yeah, because now you gotta...
I gotta put it up there, and you're right. Now I gotta move the stop loss to right there, basically. And I still want the 1 to 2. Ooh, this is getting dicey.
Ooh, getting dicey.
I'm still good. I'm still good with clearance. I'm still not in there yet, though.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Lord. What? I am not in here either, and now it's gonna drop. Now it's gonna drop. Dang, that would be my 1 to 2, but now it's gonna drop. This is like
it tested all those people who didn't wait for the candle to close. Kept wicking them out of the buy stops.
That's why you gotta wait for the candle close. Bro, live. That's why you gotta wait. And like I said, now it's gonna drop.
Now you get to play the sells.
Now,
unless it has one more move up, and then it's gonna drop.
Oh man.
Because I don't know. It's looking very Wyckoff-ish. I gotta be honest.
Let me see what you're talking about here. Okay, yeah, I see what you mean.
The one more is coming though. You still got one more pump.
Still got one more pump.
Yep.
I still want to see this.
I don't know where it's coming from.
No, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this one. I'm doing this.
I'm not doing this. I'm
doing this right here. Because there's untested volume and it's right above that 71%. I can live with that so hard. Rather than the other one.
That's where the next. Oh,
there it is. Hold on now, boy. Ooh, this stop loss is hard.
Ooh.
I wouldn't be able to play this. The stop loss is too hard. Well, it's not that it's too hard, but this would have to be the play, and it's not a 1 to 2 anymore at all. It'd have to be that with this stop loss.
Yeah.
And 1 to 2 all the way up here. Let me see if I can make a case.
You trying to make the biggest leg out of that whole thing be the last leg?
It'd be the last leg, and that's a big leg up. No, I'm good. I'm good. If it does it, it does it. But I'm not playing it. Well, that's a 1 hour risky stop loss if I've seen one. Yeah, I'm not playing it, but let's see how I'm not playing this, but let's see how it turns out. Exactly. Exactly.
Good call.
Exactly. Exactly. It said here. I'm gonna show them why you didn't take this trade, my boy. I got you. That's what
Dang, it did exactly what I wanted it to do, though.
And now you're looking for the Bears.
Yep.
Ooh, hold on. Let me see what we got. No, it's not gonna give me this anymore. Whoo, Sunday fun day, and yeah, I'm playing those Bears.
Oh, last time I did that, I lost on Sunday, but go ahead.
He said, but go off then.
It'll go off for you since it didn't work for me. Oh, yeah.
That's really how it be.
It's gonna go off for you now.
That's how it be sometimes. Wait a minute, hold on. What is this volume called? Ooh, that thing needs to like leave a Hail Mary wick for me.
Pretty much, but that's how those be. That's what that's for. It's either gonna leave a wick or it's gonna
blast off like Jimmy Neutron.
Literally.
Let's see what we got. Come on. No Jimmy Neutron. No, don't do this. Don't do this, 71. 71 did it to me.
Oh, dang.
71 did it to me. It did it. Yep, hella did it. Oh, man. Well, dang, don't play for me.
You already know it's about to hit, though, but it could blast off now, so at least you got a good-looking, ugly... Oh, dang, boy. That was that. My grandpa was all over that one.
Your grandpa was all over it. He had it with a death grip, bro.
I had him. Fuck, man. That was...
He had it with the death grip, man.
Sometimes it'd be like that. Oh,
It
That's
didn't.
that LPSY.
It didn't break this good enough for me. Hold on, let me start. It didn't break it good enough for me. I hate when it just leaves a bitch ass wick like that. I hate it. But
What if it ABCs to your entry?
even if it didn't ABC to my entry, I might still take it, bro. Because I feel like I just really have the feeling that, oh man, but it almost came and tapped this.
Ooh,
Dang, that makes me not want to take this anymore. I thought this was going to be a little lower. Let's see what we got going on. Yep.
Oh, Gonzo.
It's out of here.
Readjust that Fibbo though. Yeah. That Joker said, "See ya." But that POC though is way up there.
Man, listen.
Oh, I knew you were about to do that.
As soon as you heard me say, man, listen.
For real.
That's funny. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Ooh.
That boy said no.
No, he said no.
That
it
is
really
that
didn't come up- it really did not
LPSY
come up
though,
here.
bro. Double time and
No,
then it's
yeah. Hey, bro.
dang, like a beautiful Wyckoff schematic.
So whenever you see a beautiful Wyckoff schematic, we might not have the luxury to play 78-6s all the time because gosh, this is beautiful.
That's so facts. That is more factual than anything because
That was
in the
beautiful.
schematic you ain't got no 78-6 and shit. He don't talk about fibs and stuff, so
He never talks about fibs.
sometimes you just, I don't know, I've just studied Wyckoff so much now. It's like the same thing, you know how we can like see the 61-8 and 78-6 without the fib?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like we don't need these fibs and stuff anymore, but it's lovely. It is lovely. Would you play this sell if it pulls back? Oh,
This
like
right
that?
here?
Yeah.
This
Pause.
little baby one? No, give me the bigger one at this point. Cause this one is just it'll I feel like this is literally calling to stop me out, but I ain't no bitch at the same time. Ooh, man. First of all, I don't know what I was drawing. I low-key still want this. Because right here, do you know how I feel it could just happen? It could just be like, boop, come back down a little bit, then boop. Then come back down a little bit, then boop, get me to my entry.
I feel that.
Dang, this might smack, though. That was a 71.
Yeah.
That was a 71 heater, yep. Alright, go bullish now.
One more pump down.
I hate
maybe?
that I made this ugly bullish move, but it didn't break structure. It would have broke 5-minute structure. But it would have stopped out at 1-to, not even 1-to. Wait, it wouldn't even gone 1-to-1 and stopped out. It would have just hit 1-to-1. Now it would have stopped out. And then gone 1-to-2. It's long, but I'm still playing it.
Tough.
Dang. Looks tough over here. Oh,
There it goes.
there it goes. Alright, let me see bigger picture. There is, man, this is... What day is today? It's March?
It's about to start moving.
So overall, if I were to play anything, it'd still be, dang, no, there's volume right here. I mean, there's untested volume right here, smack daddy at that 78.6, but then there's some down here as well. So that's interesting. I still think I'd play that sell. What were you saying though?
I don't remember.
Dang, would I play this? Ah. Yo, GJ is just doing the drops, man? The way how this made itself, if it retraces, I'd buy off of this 15-minute. I guess I'm not getting that. Low key, huh? I'm just gonna play this because I did set it up. I'm not a big fan of the volume matching up, but I could live with that. Dang, but this is long. This is a 1 hour play, first of all. Second of all, yeah, I'm playing this off the 1 hour.
Gotcha.
And then if I see anything on the lower time, or if you see anything on the lower time frames, let me know, so that you can get your point into. Whew, okay, I'm in. But man, oh man, first of all, big volume, 1 hour, 9 o'clock on that entry. I don't like that. Second of all, I don't like the candle right next to it. So I'm probably going to take an L, but let's see what the next one looks like. Oh, third one is telling me that you're definitely taking this L, boy. But if it comes back to your entry, hold it. Oh, wait, hold on. First of all, that was a Friday? Oh, man, that's even worse. So first of all, it's telling me, okay, if you're still, it's like when price comes to your entry, get out the trade.
I hope you get out.
It said nah, ya boy. But like I said, like you love how I was telling you word by word with these candlesticks what was gonna happen to me. By the third candlestick, I already knew it was an L. All right, L minus 1 to 1. So that means that I got 2 points.
What day are you on?
I am on March 10th, 2019. Man, there was like 3 trade opportunities that I had, and it just said no, I'm not giving it to you. But again, March 10th, 2019, basically March 11th at 12 a.m. So go on that. Oh yeah, you want that 4 hour? Good.
There was divergence on the 4 hour here. With the Wyckoff schematic on the lower time frame. That's interesting. And then on the 1 hour, it made this pattern here. So there was a bunch of confirmation for this to drop. Okay, we're almost in that time.
I said bar for bar while I was taking that out.
Mm-hmm.
You know what this is about to do to me. It's about to give me that Gran Turismo L.
It takes this low out here, and then that's... There we go. All right. So now, I have this opportunity, I guess.
Whoo! That's a good one. That's a pretty good one.
I'll look at that when it gets there. Let me just see what's good with the volume profile a little bit. Okay, not a lot to the upside. I like this a little bit better. Okay, it should slip down into there. 15-minute might give me some divergence. Oh, that's sad. Barely hit your stop, and then
turn around. Yep.
Okay, there's no trade for me until it does something else. I think it's gonna run right here. There's not a lot of volume.
There's not a lot of volume. Oh wow, it's really gonna hit. It's really gonna go and hit my TP right after stopping me out. Wow,
Damn, that was suck.
that sucks. And that's just a
Dang.
dang. It really went and smacked my full TP right after stopping me out.
And I just had a feeling it was about to do the run
And
because
you did say it. You're like, it's about to run.
that's why I didn't even
I don't even
question
know.
this.
Now I'm not even sure if you're planning to sell. I don't think you're selling.
No, I'm not. And until this gives me something like this, maybe. Great.
You'd be more interested in the buys. Hardcore. I'm interested in the buys more. Oh man, never mind. Oh my
And
goodness.
this is when I like don't even look at the market. Literally in real life, when the market does this, I'm like,
You're
I'd
like,
say
nope, I'm out of here. You could have it. That's literally how you are.
Dang, it really did move fast again through these
It moved
volume levels.
faster. It moved faster. That's the crazy part. And there's still untested volume to the upside. That's crazy.
Don't move fast right back up there. I'll laugh.
Would you play this 15 minute?
This is tough because it makes this move didn't break structure, and now it's probably going to move down. Let me read these daily candles. This is a bullish engulfing. This is a daily candle
That left a
closes.
wick.
Well, it hasn't closed yet. It's gonna probably leave a wick here. Let me just see. What time of day is it? 15. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a normal time of day. Okay, so this candle leaves a wick here and closes like this. We got a bearish candle here, a bearish candle here.
Bullish engulfing, like you said.
Yeah. I don't think I'm looking for shorts. Let me go to the 1 hour. No,
Damn. That 1 hour is dirty.
not my play.
Very good no call. That yearly POC still refused to get hit, huh?
Man, that's crazy. It's definitely should get hit. I'm looking for this right here. Pop, pop. I'm seeing the doo, doo, doo. Here it comes. And honestly, it might even tap right here and then go up. So I'm just going to keep line right there real quick.
Sell stop?
Sideways. Not sell or buy. I'm just going to wait. I'm feeling the fake out so bad.
The way how it's winding up, yeah, I feel it. Whoo!
There's just nothing to play.
There's nothing.
Come on, give it something.
That's crazy. GJ be on his bullshit.
Nothing to me. Nothing. At this point, I'm going to the 1 hour.
At this point, I agree. Finally.
There's probably the fake out that I'm thinking that's going to happen. Because on the 15 minute, it looks very playable to the downside.
Very playable.
I'm thinking it's not, so. Wow.
Oof.
This market's impossible. nothing for me. I'm not playing this buy here.
Readjust that fib. And man, I can't believe it bounced off that 61.8 like that. I mean, I can, but still.
Yeah, I wouldn't even play that. Man.
Damn. Dude, damn.
I felt the Wyckoff again. It just did the schematic 2 where it doesn't give the pump. Jesus. Okay, whatever. Let's see if there's any plays. I want to play Divergence right here. Come on, make another move down. You know you want to.
Would you have played that 15-minute fib right there? I don't think you would have.
Would have hit, but wouldn't have played it.
It would have been scary hours. Damn.
Man, very sideways at this
I was about to be like, this looks like what US 30 looked like. Ew. I mean, I guess. Oh, never mind. It's what is shifted. Would you? I don't think you'd play buys. Not yet.
You know, it has a little shift to it, and it has the accumulation to it, so
Okay.
I'm here for it. I think this is the build up. I think we're gonna get one more pump up to here. Let me just try to catch something off of it. See. This is interesting. Here's the daily candle.
These nuts. Yeah, it's better.
Probably. It's low key, probably. I was gonna say it's probably not even gonna break that level that it just held at.
Wow.
For the Wyckoff to be true, it usually doesn't break this back in. After it does this, it builds and then it goes.
Yeah.
So this 78.6 after you see the Wyckoff is not really the play. It is not the play. Let's go to.
Are you gonna buy stop it?
Maybe.
Ooh, I would. I'm not seeing a lot of volume right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try for a buy. Not yet. I'm gonna wait for this to break. No.
Oh, it's playing games. It's playing games. Oh, this is on some PlayStation.
Oh.
It's played so many games.
Wow, that would be.
That would be like, damn. Well, I'm glad that I waited for the close. Oh man, it played games like the
coming
PlayStation.
right back into this like area right here. This is gonna be.
Oh, that's in.
But I'm not.
That's important.
I'm gonna buy it right here if it gives me divergence.
Does that what does that divergence match up with that fib? Okay.
Kind of the last line of defense.
Yep, last line of defense. Let's do it.
All right, let's see what we got. Balancing itself out. I don't like that.
Ooh, what you doing? You still have the opportunity.
Like this.
Opportunity still there, in my opinion.
Yeah, it is. Let me see. Let me see what the.
There.
I'm gonna go 40 for 40 again, just because I know 30 is too light. I know 30 for 30 would have hit the last one, but you know, this is really saying do not get into this.
Ooh.
Let's just see. I'm getting tired.
Facts.
I'm low-key playing things I don't know if I would play in real life this session, but I like it at the same time. Golly, son.
Ooh.
I'm glad I kept that circled, because that is why it's an L. Fudge. Well, that's...
Turn that ass around, boy.
Quick and painful.
Turn that ass around right here. Ooh, Forest Gods. What you doing?
Look, in the last trade, I didn't get out. So I'm going to stick with not getting out again and see if it bites me in the ass twice.
All right, let's see what happens. I think it's going to turn around for you, though.
Bites me in the ass twice, you already know what's going to happen in the live markets if this happens to me.
You'll be like, nope.
This needs to hit this TP for my mental right now, low-key.
He said needs to happen right now.
Oh.
Okay. You might be safe. Oh, you might be safe.
I might be safe because this POC ain't moved yet. When it went all the way down here with that divergence, hey, that's low key. That's low key right there. Come on with it. That's
a W. That's a W. You taking that profit right there.
Because the first one did that same thing, and we called it in break even.
No, that's a W. I'll take it, but
so
just press the next candle, just for confirmation.
I'm calling it a 1 pointer though. It's 1 point because it's a 1-to-1,
and also you remember how you said that. Oh, if this was 30 for 30, it would have hit. Well, if this was 30 for 30, it would have stopped. So
30 for 30 would have hit stops, and then it would have smacked. But yeah, see, break even's probably even gonna hit again on these hoes.
Man, you took profits up there. I'll allow it. It's all right. So
so I hit. Ended up realistically where I don't know where my shit is. Hold on. The first trade I took was wherever. I remember. Okay, here it is. First trade I took missed TP by 1 pip. The second trade I took was an L that I probably wouldn't have traded. The third one did the same thing. It was a 15-minute
by 1 pip
divergence. Trade missed TP by 1.
In a real life situation, you taking profits. Ain't no way.
Yeah. In real life on both of those, technically, but in the backtesting session, they count as 1 point each.
Yep.
So I ended up with 1 point. AB ends up beating me by 2, where it has. I
have 2 points. Let me go ahead.
Show yours for yours real quick. Talk about yours real quick.
Yeah, so I got 2 W's. One was a 1-to-2. The other one was a 1-to-1. And then hit break even. So that's 1 point. So that's 3 points. And then I took an L, and that is minus 1 point. So I ended up winning with 2 points. So now we are tied with the versus backtesting.
I wanted to take the big lead right here, but that's not how it works when you're playing ballers.
That's not how you play with ball. When you're playing with other ballers, it's like, dang, man. All right, well, that was a good session, my boy.
All right, well, I will see you on the charts,
yes,
mañana.
Because I am going to bed. All right, y'all. Have a good night, everybody, and we'll see you.